Hebei Boda Plastic Technology Company Limited, Tech, is a professional supplier of thermoplastic welding equipment from China with 20 years successful industry experience in thermoplastic solutions. We provide plastic sheet bending machine, workshop fitting fabrication machine, HDPE butt fusion welding machine, electrofusion welding machine, PPR socket fusion welding machine, geomembrane welding machine, hand extrusion welder, hot air welder, geomembrane leak detector, tensiometer, vacuum hood, test needle, and other HDPE welding tools. Our products are all in accordance with DVS standard. We convinced that our products will forge the world a better place to live in. We have exported our products to Mexico, Ecuador, USA, Uruguay, Colombia, Bolivia, Dominican Republic, Venezuela, Salvador, Panama, Guatemala, Peru, Argentina, Brazil, Chile, Paraguay, and other 64 countries around the globe. If you are interested in any of our thermoplastic welding equipment, please do not hesitate to contact us. Inquiries without any obligations. We will be very glad at your service. International warranty, 24 months. If any part's broken or does not work under normal operating, we will provide them to you for free. Make us your first choice when sourcing for tube and sheet welder. Tech and its products will not fail you. We have won the trust and reputation the thermoplastics market. Tech will always insist that providing reliable and efficient solutions with very workable price for every customer. What are you waiting for? Please contact us.
Tech is a professional supplier of thermoplastic welding equipment from China. We provide butt fusion welding machine, electrofusion welding machine, geomembrane welding machine, hand extrusion welder, and hot air welder.